Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad, recruitment for project vacancies in different departments. There are two departments, that is computer science and electrical engineering. Two departments, there is one vacancy in each department. This is the official site of IIT Dharwad Junior Research Fellowship, and this is the Department of Computer Science, one vacancy. If you just click here for application form, you can apply, and the last date for submission of this is 29th of October 2021. This is under the Department of Computer Science, and so this is the recruitment notification, advertisement number, project. This is published on 20 October 2021. Then the name of the position is Junior Research Fellowship. The essential qualification is a graduate or postgraduate degree in computer science and engineering or related streams, and also qualified any of the following tests, that is GATE, CSIR, NET or national level examinations conducted by Government of India departments in different agencies and institutions such as DST, DBT, DAE, DOS, DRDO, MHRD, ICAR, ICMR, IIT, ISC and ISER. So this is the qualification criteria. So the desirable thing is qualification. This is just desirable, not essential. Exposure to mathematical modeling, performance evaluation and analysis in domain of computer networks, and also exposure to computer networks, network protocol and associated simulation and programming, simulation and techniques skills. So the consolidated amount is 31,000 plus 16% of HRA you will get. This is the duration of the tenure is 1 year, and it may be extendable depending upon the project completion. So tenure of appointment, the appointment for the above is contractual position and will be for the 3 months, which can be further extended subject to satisfactory performance. So age limit is, maximum age limit is 35 years is the maximum age limit. So this is the project code, and relevance is edge and cloud-based predictive analytic services for zero-touch network and service management. This is a job description where surveying of scientific literature, 5G network scenarios, developing network simulations and test-based administrative activities related to the project. The last date to apply for this is 29th of October 2021, and selection procedure is they will shortlist the applicants based on the necessary criteria, and they will shortlist you for the interview, and mere fulfillment of minimum eligibility will not bestow the right for shortlisting. So IIT Dharwad reserves the right to screen and shortlist candidates by introducing higher benchmarks. So emails will be sent to the shortlisted candidates, and the interview time slot will be emailed, and any change in the schedule will be notified by IIT Dharwad website if you apply. And documents required to apply is your matriculation, experience if any, and if you are working in any of the departments, salary drawn, and relevant documents like curriculum vitae, CV. So this is where you can apply, and if you have any query, you can just email to this email ID, that is thamalplusrecruitment@iitdh.ac.in. So this is regarding the computer science vacancies for junior research fellowship. Now we'll be shifting to electrical vacancy for junior research fellowship. This is for the Department of Electrical vacancy, a junior research fellowship. That is, this is the advertisement number. This is published on 1st of October 2021. The name of the position is project associate. That is one vacancy. The essential qualification is bachelor degree, a master's degree in electrical or allied streams as per the guidelines issued by Department of Science. So a strong interest on aptitude of power electronics with emphasis on design and control of power converters, grid-tied systems and design of magnetics. So ability to design and develop hardware prototypes and experience with benchtop testing and hands-on circuit debugging. So this is all the desirable qualifications. If you have hands-on experience, this is just desirable, not essential. So you can be having a degree either in bachelor or masters in electrical engineering or allied streams, that is electronics and electrical, are also eligible to apply for this post. Here the consolidated amount is 31,000 per month plus 18% of HRA, that is house rent allowance, and the duration of the project is 36 months. And the tenure of appointment, the appointment for the above contractual position initially for 3 months, which can be further extended subject to satisfactory performance depending upon the funds, and maximum age limit is not exceeding 35 years of age. So the project code and title is Department of Power Line Interface System to power a transmission line inspection robot from a live transmission line conductor. So this is the description of the job, where you have to handle the simulation and hardware design and development of all these test-based development, performing testing kits, and the tentative dates have been already scheduled here. The tentative date of selection procedure is 18 to 22nd of October. So selection procedure for everything, you can just click on the description link, where you will get the insight and you can apply for these vacancies. So this is regarding the IIT Dharwad project vacancies.